Meet the Coolfire 2-in-1 alarm clock, designed for heavy sleepers. Use it as a loud desktop alarm clock to start your day on time, or as a pillow shaker that ensures even the deepest sleepers wake up. No more oversleeping. This clock makes sure you're always on time. Before shipping, your clock is set to sleep to save battery. Simply press and hold any button for 3 seconds to wake it up and start the first atomic signal search. If it doesn't turn on, charge it for 30 minutes. Press and hold the red button to manually search for the atomic signal. This may take a few minutes to 15 minutes, depending on signal strength. For best results, leave the clock by a non-metallic window overnight. The signal is strongest at midnight. Once synchronized, the atomic icon will appear. For U.S. users, set your time zone: Pacific, Mountain, Central, or Eastern. Hold the alarm button to activate time zone settings, then use the plus or minus buttons to select your zone. Ensure the clock is not showing alarm information or in alarm setting mode. Press and hold the alarm button until the time zone setting mode activates. Use the plus or minus button to select your time zone: U.S. P. Pacific, U.S. M. Mountain, U.S. C. Central, U.S. E. Eastern. Press the alarm button to confirm your time zone selection. Use the plus or minus button to toggle DST, Daylight Saving Time, on or off. Press the alarm button again to confirm and exit the setting mode. Press and hold the time button until 12/24 flashes. Use the plus or minus button to select 12-hour or 24-hour mode. Press time button to confirm. The year will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the year. Press time button to confirm. The month it will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the month. Press time button to confirm. The date will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the date. Press time button to confirm. The hour will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the hour and select AM or PM. Press time button to confirm. The minute will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the minute. Press time button to confirm. Continue selecting either speaker or vibrating mode. This option follows the time setting. The speaker or vibrator icon will start flashing. Use the plus or minus button to choose between speaker mode or vibrator mode. Press the time button to confirm your selection. The display will show HI for high or LO for low. Use the plus or minus button to set the vibrator strength. Press the time button to confirm and exit. Press the alarm button to select an alarm, example AL1. Wait 2 seconds to display the alarm time settings. Press and hold the alarm button until the hour starts flashing. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the hour, making sure to select either AM or PM. Press alarm to confirm. The minutes will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the minutes. Press alarm to confirm. The display will show ALON, representing alarm on, or ALOF, representing alarm off. Use the plus or minus button to toggle on or off. Press alarm to confirm. The weekday will flash, example, SU for Sunday, MO for Monday. Use the plus or minus button to select a weekday. Press the red button to toggle the weekday on, which will display the box as selected, or off, which will leave it empty. Weekdays set to on, which are boxed, will activate the alarm for those days. Ignore weekday settings for a daily alarm. Press the time button anytime to exit the alarm setting mode. Press the alarm button to display AL1 for alarm 1. Wait 2 seconds to view the alarm time settings. Small window shows 1. Press the alarm button again to cycle through other alarms, example AL2, AL3, AL4. When the alarm goes off, press and hold any button until the alarm stops. This activates the snooze mode, giving you a few extra minutes of sleep. To cancel the alarm, press any button once. Press the plus or minus button to set the display brightness when the display is on. Thank you for watching. If you need any help with your settings, feel free to contact us at supports@timechant.com.